everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna take some trades like always. I wanted to take my trade somewhere down here. I was looking for a demand area, but unfortunately it just rejected from nowhere. It's fine. I will just wait for this one to close. We have an opportunity up here. It's a breakout trade. Okay, so this is first touch, second touch, third touch breakout. So if we break this area with less than 50% of the candle, we're good to go with the sellers here as a breakout trade. Okay, we also have this lower low. Oh, I go with what is this entry, man? I go with the buyers because of this gap down. I believe the gap down should make this candle a green one, but my entries are the worst possible entries on this trade. I hope, yes, they're just pushing up. I never want to go against the trend. This is minor uptrend, double bottom. Okay, so this is all bullish and also major uptrend. So there's no reason. Some of you might sell here, but the market's gonna trick you and get you out of the trade. All right, now we're breaking the third touch, but we see some strong candles. Do I go with the sellers here? No, I doubt going with the sellers here because we're at the minor and major uptrend. Unless we close exactly on this, I will take it very small. Okay, I'll take it like 200 because it's against everything. That's again gap down. See, again gap down. The buyers can push up, but since this is a third touch breakout, okay, third touch breakout looks like this: first touch, second touch, third touch. Ideally it should break less than 50% of the candle. When we're breaking more than 50%, most likely, if you don't have enough reasons, it might just keep going up. You can add gaps as a confirmation. For example, here we have gap as a negative confirmation. It's in the favor of buyers, but I thought maybe this seller's entry help us to push the price down. But look at this area. We have a well-respected support area. See how clean it is? And previously, market has reacted from this area. Okay, this is a well-respected support area. And as you can see, it just rejected so strongly, right? And I believe inside of this, somewhere here, there's a decision point, and this trade was basically takeable. All right, that was a winning trade. Nice. All right, we have another gap down, but I'm not going to take it. Let's just move on to something else. All right, I'm going to take a sell somewhere here. Let's go. I go with the sellers right now. I will add one more if it goes a little higher. And let me just go to lower time frame. Lower. All right, I don't see fresh supply in the lower than that, but this is the fresh supply for us, right? That's why we took this trade. Let's just see. Yes, basically this trade should have been taken on this candle. We were a little bit late, but I will explain why did I take this trade. Okay, here there is a point in the market that the market loves to switch between levels, and when we have a level broken, we create a supply or demand before the breakout happens. Okay, so imagine these candles are not here. I will mark the support area. Boom. Okay, this is the support area, and so many of you expecting bounce from this area, right? But it doesn't happen and it breaks, and we know that breakout has happened here, right? When we expect to not break, it breaks. So there should be some kind of imbalance happening inside of it, right? So I go to a lower time frame to see the market in, the more clear way. All right, you can see this supply area, basically A, B, C to the downside. Supply, it's fresh also, right? I think I've explained this just too many times. I mean, if you have been in this channel for about a month, you would freaking master this. All right, this is the fresh supply area. The moment candle comes here, boom, we enter exactly when the candle touches that. Okay, we enter somewhere here, goes up, rejects, close down here as a winning trade. But here's the point: if you're trading my strategies, make sure this is on flag mode, right? Flag mode, and the timer on +1, this one activated, and this part should be on 0. If this is not on 0, your candle will close somewhere random. Okay, we want the candle close on, we want the trade close on candle close. So make sure that it's on 0. Yeah, let's just move on and look for other trades. All right, we see some Doji here. Okay, we see some Doji here. And also, it seems that it's creating a double bottom or triple bottom, something like that here. And the markets in general is upward movement, somewhere support area here. So if this Doji broken, it's going to be a little risky. So I just need to wait a little bit to see what's going on. Okay, so we have again, well respected support area. Exactly here. Okay, see, this is the well respected support area. Boom. See how many times? And then here there should be some decision point. Okay, this one is not that clear. All right, it's RD consumed. You see that? It's RD consumed, so we're not going to count on that. One more time. We're just going to move on to the next trade. Okay, we want to take best trade. This is, you know, we have one job to do, and that is looking for best trades. Okay, nothing else. Let me just add one more. I don't like non-OTC market. I explain why. I basically explain OTC versus main market on this video. Make sure you watch it if you have that question, that why don't I trade the main market. I will tell you right now. Okay, let's say we go to this one. Okay, the moment you switch that, you see this message right here. See that? The minimum time set to +2. See that? So it means that we're not going to be able to take margin of safety trades. We're not going to be able to take those kind of trades that I just showed you in the lower time frame, because it's going to close on the next candle. We want 1 minute, right? So this automatically is a red flag for me to use them. And that's why, you know, since OTC always have this option, I just prefer OTC. Okay, I don't know why they don't have that on the regular market, but you know, it is what it is. All right, let me see what we have. All right, I want to go with the buyers, right? Oh shit, I forgot to switch to switch this one to 1 minute after going back onto that, you know, main market, because when you go here, it just switched to +2. Also, it adds up to this. So you need to do this and then switch back to OTC. Okay. Otherwise, again, your trade will be ruined like this. So this trade will close on the next candle. I took this trade because it's basically a QM. This is a QM area for me. Okay, it's not a beautiful trade, I would say, but I thought we might bounce from it, let's be honest, because it's associated with this ABC, non-clear ABC. And let's see if we have anything inside of it. All right, let me just see. If this candle is green, I would be happy. All right, it was a green candle, and my entry was a little bad. Let's say if this was 1 minute, 1 minute trade, and my entry was good, we would win this trade. But luckily, the trade will close on the next candle. We'll probably win this trade. I can just simply secure that one right now with a sell, but I'm not gonna do that. This is a mistake by me, so I deserve to lose here because I didn't check the timer. And yeah, so let's just lose this trade. I will go for other opportunities. Look at this beautiful Doji, man. Also, we're in a ranging market. Now this Doji is valid for me. If we break this Doji from the upside, I will take a sell. Like how many times bro, this opportunity was nice. All right, this trade is about to close. As a losing trade. We have a, hold on. Oh, look at that. We have a third touch breakout here as well. Also has gap down. This was beautiful to take. We missed. And I was about to take a common point of rejection here, which it didn't come down, which is annoying, but that's fine. I will just wait for this doji to be broken, and then I will take a beautiful trade here. Just watch. This doji is gonna be broken, and then I will find a supply here. Above that, I will enter. This supply, it doesn't look fresh. So let me just see. Okay, I need something up there. All right, we have a fresh supply up there, but I don't know. Okay, let's just take it. I will add again if it goes up. All right, this is basically a doji break. If it goes somewhere here, I will add because I don't want to miss this doji break, right? I don't want to miss that doji break. There we go. So simply, when we have a ranging market, we can find a doji middle of the range and just trade the breakouts. Okay, this candle is breaking the doji. Boom, take a bull. Coming back inside of the doji, it has gap up, so take a bull as a confirmation. It has gap up as a confirmation. Okay, so again, breaking from the downside, take a bull, gap down as a confirmation. Again, get back to the doji, take a bull, break the doji, take a bull, right? Just like that. Again, break the doji from the upside. We took that. Okay. Beautifully done. I wish this one coming after this supply. I would add a triple trade on this one, but it didn't happen. That's totally fine. We just keep looking for the best trades. That's the main objective here, to avoid random trades. All right, we got another doji, but you see that we don't have a verified ranging market here. So this doji is going to be a little blind trade for me if I want to take it. So obviously, I will not take a blind trade. And if I really like this trade, I will take it very small, just to you know, some kind of relieve myself. And if that's a win, that's just small win. And if that's a loss, that's a small loss, obviously, right? So I'm just gonna take this just for fun, just to see what's gonna happen, but very small compared to my main trade amount. Boom, let's get it. Okay, we got this gap up, but since we don't have range, I wouldn't call this a top tier trade. But let's see just what's gonna happen. All right, have major downtrend. All right, I'm just gonna look for other pairs, right? All right, low, high, lower low, higher high. So, you know, QM area. This is one of the best QMs you can find in the market, or just market for you. Trend line, boom. All right, and the QM zone. Now we will go to lower time frame to find some supply and demand. We already see a big demand area in 1 minute, but we want precise entry. We want small entry. I mean, accurate entries. Go to lower time frame. We don't see a fresh on 5 second. Go to the 30. All right. I guess this was the only fresh demand area for us. And then I will take the engulf for this trade. Okay. So this red area, it doesn't look good anymore for me, because I wanted a very smaller area to take this trade. All right, this is the fresh supply for me. As you can see, we don't have any other fresh supply. All right, look at this one. This is not fresh. This is also not fresh. So let's just see what this trade would do for us. Yeah, basically we would enter exactly right here. Okay, and it would reject and close as a winning trade. But in general, it looks a bit weird right here, but that's totally fine. And we're just gonna look for other trades. I'll go back to 1,000 and try to find good trades. You see this doji broken? You see this this Doji trade we took, again, you know, it broke again, but we wouldn't take this because it's a gap down in the favor of buyers. It's a negative confirmation. And yeah, so you need to really care about the gaps. It can change the result of your trade. I'm just gonna add new pairs. All right. Now, all right. You can see here we have a resistance area which has been broken right here, and we have some clear supply areas right here. Okay, so this is a very good trade for me. Okay, we have a supply demand area exactly here. Also, we have one down here. Okay, so we can take advantage of both of them. Let's see. All right, I will take. All right, I entered right here. Enter right here. 2, 1. Done. See that? Very restricted resistance area. Decision point found inside of it. It's so clear, right? So freaking clear. Go to lower time frame. You know, my zone is exactly like this. See how accurate it touched the 30-second zone? But in 50-second it looks like this. That's why I adjusted like that. And yeah, so basically higher time frame has, you know, it's more just valid. Just we can just count on that. All right, how many? All right, I think that's enough for today. I'm just gonna stop right here. I hope you enjoyed, and peace out.